you for coming today. We're going to do 2 round Christmas ornaments. You can get these ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and they come in a 1 pack, 2 for $1, or you get them from Michael's. These came from Michael's, and they was 25 in a pack. I had them last year, so I'm not quite sure how much I paid for them, but the Dollar Tree will work. So you can use a lot of things in Christmas ornaments. These are the DIYs, the clear ones. They're plastic, and you can put anything you want in there. So today we're going to use sequins. So I bought many different colors. So today we're going to use like the pink and green. So I'm just going to open up the pack. And you can put in as much as you want in them. It doesn't matter. You can put a little bit, you can put a lot. So we're going to just put a little bit in there. I have bought these to do something else with them, but we're going to use these today and a Christmas ornament. I like the color pink. I like the colors pink and green together. If I could get it open. All right. So figure one. So we'll open this. You just take the top off, and again, it's plastic. Oops. So I'm just going to pour it inside the ornament like this. And we're going to put the top back on. And here go the pink and green. And if you want to, you can put a little sand on there. Some kind of little sand. You could put like an initial, like a S, a K, and pink or green. And that'll be cute in there. So we're going to do another one. We're going to use a different color. I'm just going to take this off real fast. So we're going to use blue. We're going to do blue and gold. So I'm going to open this one. I'm not quite sure where I ordered this from. I had these for a long time. I was going to do something else with these. So that was a lot of gold. All right. So that's a lot of gold, but I took some of it out. So we're just going to pop this one as well. And it easy comes apart. We're just going to pour that in there. Okay, so this has the blue and gold sequence in there. So you can do many different combinations or whatever you want to do. So you can add initials on there or a year or something like that. You can just hang them on your tree. So you can do different colors. They had more colors than this, but these are the ones I ordered. So thank you for watching. Please sub, like, and leave a message